To fix a washer that is locked and won't turn on, there are several potential causes to consider. These include a faulty door inner lock switch, improper drainage, a malfunctioning sensor, or a control board issue. To address these problems, start by examining the door inner lock switch for signs of debris, wear, or physical damage. If any issues are found, clean or replace the switch, using the manufacturer's manual as a guide if necessary. Alternatively, consider seeking the services of a professional technician. Next, inspect the drain hose for clogs by removing the panel of the machine and checking for any obstructions. Remove any blockages found and then check if the machine is draining properly. If the issue persists, try resetting the machine by unplugging it from the power source, waiting a few minutes, and then plugging it back in. After resetting, check if the door lock releases. If it does not, it may be necessary to contact a technician for further assistance. By following these steps, it is possible to resolve the issue and get the washer working again.